hello my Gators and Hippos, and Halima and Mason, this includes you guys as well. I wanted to give you guys an introduction to our new sort for this week because we missed out on being at school on Monday together this week due to the holiday. So we are moving away from A words and we're now going back to O words. We have two groups this week that are going to be a review and then one new group. So let's go ahead and start learning about them. So our first review group is short OCVC. See if you can remember, how do you make the short O sound? Good. It's the sound you make when you go to the doctor or the dentist and they say open up wide. Ah. And short O words have this CVC pattern. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Remember, sometimes one of those consonants could actually be a blend together, but it still counts as one C in the pattern. All right, so I see one word here, shop, that would go in this group. I know shop goes in this group because first it makes a short O sound. Stretch it out with me like bubblegum. Shop. It makes that short O. Also, I notice it has the CVC pattern. It's got an SH, which is the first consonant. It's a blend. The short O, and then the last consonant is a P. Can you find another short O CVC word on this side over here? Your choices are joke, toast, coat, lock, stone. Which one is short O CVC? Very good. It's lock. I'm going to move lock right over here too. If you notice, stretch out lock like bubblegum, it makes the short O sound. Lock. It also, again, has that CVC pattern. The first consonant is L, a short O, and then CK is the last consonant. It's a blend together again. Very nice. Okay, here's our second pattern that is a review. It's long O, CVC, E. What does long O say? That's right. Long vowels say their name. So long O says O. And this pattern we've already learned, CVCE. Consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E. The silent E on the end makes the vowel in the middle long. I see one word, joke, right here that goes in this group. Let's stretch it out like bubblegum. Joke. You can hear the long O in it. And it has a consonant, J, an O, that's our vowel, another consonant, K, and then the silent E on the end. Do you see another word that would belong in that group? Your choices this time are toast, coat, and stone. Which one is long O CVCE? That's right, stone. Stretch it out like bubblegum. Stone. It's got the long O, and it's got the consonant blend, ST to start, a vowel in the middle, a second consonant N, and a silent E. Good. All right, here's our new group. It's also going to make the long O sound. But this time, our pattern isn't just an O, it has an OA. So it has a vowel team. This pattern is called CVVC. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. So it's got the double vowel. This is a lot like the long AI that we learned. Remember the two vowel rule? When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and says its name. So when O and A go walking in a word together, the first vowel, O, does the talking and he says his name, O, and he's so bossy he doesn't let his friend A talk. So this is the long OA CVVC. One example of this group would be toast. It has a long O sound, toast, and it has a consonant T. It's got the double vowel OA in the middle, and then it's got ST as our consonant at the end, a blend again. We've got one more word on the side here that also goes in this group. What word is this? That's right, coat. So coat also goes in long OA CVVC, coat. And it's got consonant C, double vowel OA in the middle, and then another consonant T. Great job. Okay, so this week you're going to be practicing sorting your words into these three groups. Short O CVC says ah, long O CVCE says O, and long OA, our new group CVVC, also says O. Careful. There are 2 oddballs this week. Remember, when you're sorting, to keep a listen out and an eye out for those oddballs. This means you need to make sure that words follow both rules in order to go into a group. They have to look and sound like the group. So if a word makes a short O sound but doesn't have CVCE, then it would go in the oddball group. Or if a word has long O sound but doesn't have CVCE or CVVC, then it would go in the oddball group. So it has to follow both rules to belong. If it doesn't, then it goes in the oddball group. Good luck, my Gators and Hippos. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.